This video is about how to calculate mass. We have a magic triangle for mass as well. It's very similar to the force triangle, as you can tell. Remember, mass is the bulk or size of an object. We measure it in grams or kilograms. This train has a mass of 5 kilograms. That's how heavy it is. When we calculate mass, we're going to use our magic triangle. But look, mass is on the bottom. Force is on the top, then we have acceleration. When numbers are on top of each other in math class, we divide. Okay? You can either write it as mass equals force over acceleration, or you can write it as this one down here. Mass equals force divided by acceleration. Remember, force is on top, so it always goes inside that box, no matter how big or how small. We can always have to remember, force is on top. Force goes inside the box. If I had a problem and it said 5 over 2, 5 goes inside the box, the 2 goes outside. If I had it the other way and 2 divided by 5, the 2 goes inside the box. Doesn't matter how big or how small, the number on top always goes inside that box. So here's our problem. A man pushes a box with a force of 10 newtons at a speed of 20 meters per second. What is the mass of the object? We have steps just like we have for force. We are trying to find mass. Mass equals force divided by acceleration. Very first thing we always need to do is draw our magic triangle. And always remember, if we're solving for mass, then we're going to divide force divided by acceleration. Step 2, we need to fill in the magic triangle with what we know. We are trying to solve for mass, so it goes down at the bottom. Our 20 meters per second is our acceleration. Oops, where'd it go? We're just going to write it. 20 meters per second squared. Right here. Our force is 10 newtons. That goes right here. And since we have a number on top and a number on bottom, we're going to divide. So now we've set up our magic triangle. Now we need to solve, okay? So first things, we drew the magic triangle. Then we filled in our magic triangle with what we know. Now we need to write our problem out. Mass equals force divided by acceleration. How does that look? It looks like this. The 10 on top, the 20 on bottom. This is our force. This is our acceleration. Step 5. Let's make sure we rewrite how to divide so we put our numbers in the right place. When we divide, the number on top always goes inside the box. So, step 6, let's fill in our numbers. We have our mass, we have 10 inside the box, we have 20 outside the box. When we divide, we get 0.5 kilograms. We need to circle our final answer. That's how many steps it takes to ensure that we get it right. Remember, calculating mass is hard. It's just like force. We have to take our time and do step by step. If you are struggling with understanding how to do it, please watch this video again so we get it right every time.